How's it going today, everybody, and welcome back to Shaner's Mechanic Life. Do you have a Ford Bronco, Maverick, or Escape, and you just did a little bit of work yourself to save some money, which included rotating the tires? Now you know the tire pressures are all right, but the locations are all wrong because you went front to back, left to right, something like that. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do a TPMS relearn yourself, which will relearn the positions of the tires without any special scan tools or stuff like that. All you need is a tire pressure gauge and something to inflate your tires. How do you relearn the TPMS system on your Ford Bronco, Maverick, or Escape? Well, let's find out. Here we go. Now I'll demonstrate how to do this on this 2022 Ford Maverick. So first thing you can do, take it for a short test drive. 3-5 minutes, making sure you get yourself over 20 miles an hour. Then come to a stop someplace safe. Shut the ignition off. Turn it back on, but don't start it. And then press your hazard switch 6 times in 10 seconds. And that honk means we're in training mode. Now I demonstrated it on the ignition with a key. If you have the push button start, you just simply press the start button until the accessories are on without starting it, and then you can enter training mode. So now you go to the front left tire, and now you just put your tire pressure gauge on, release some air until you hear the horn honk. Then you look at your instrument cluster again, train right front tire. Go to your right front tire and do the same. Wait for the honk. And now train right rear tire. And just like the others, release the air until you hear the horn honk. And last but not least, train the left rear tire. And wait for the honk again. Now when it honks once, that means it works. If it honks twice, that means you're having a problem with one of the sensors. Now it says training complete, so you can press OK on your steering wheel. And double check your tire pressures, because they may be on the low side. So what you want to do is go to your door jamb on the driver's side. Go and take a look. And right here, it'll give you your tire size and the recommended pressure. Check all your tires, make sure they're inflated to the proper pressure. And once they are, you know that if you pick up a nail or have a flat tire or any kind of air loss, that you know that the pressure is going to be in the right position, giving you the right information. Nothing worse than trying to find a leak in a tire that's not leaking. Now for best results, you're supposed to check your tire pressures and do the adjustments when the tires are cold. Tires will heat up and the air will expand just from driving or even temperature from your brakes. So don't be alarmed if cold days the tire pressure is a little bit lower, hotter days a little bit higher. That's normal. Well, I hope you found this video helpful and informative, and I definitely hope it helps someone save a little bit of money, because there's nothing worse than trying to save a few bucks by doing your own work, only to have those savings erased by having to take it to a tire shop to get them to relearn the TPMS. Well, if you liked the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more like it, hit the subscribe button, notification bell in the bottom right hand corner. That way you get notified when I get new videos coming out. Well, that's it for tonight, everybody. Have a good night and keep wrenching.